Hi, today I'm going to show you some activities to develop in the class. Let's go. Where is my group is the first activity. For that I need to give to all the classmates one word in a piece of paper. The classification is colors, part of the body, clothes, and fruits. I will give to all the classmates one word in a piece of paper and they have to read and start to look for the classmates that have the same classification. Like an apple could be the other classmate, pineapple, watermelon. Like a clothes could be a shirt, and like a part of the body could be arm, and like colors could be blue, black, white, and other one. Second activity, amnesia. For this activity, I'm going to select two couples and I will give to one of them one image of a famous person or a word and pin in the back of one of the persons. The other partner that is behind, in this case, behind me, is going to answer or ask questions about the famous person. For example, I'm going to start. He is a famous football player, and the other person is going to answer, no, she or he was a famous singer, and so on. The third activity is, do you have what I have? In this case, I'm going to select two partners and I will give them two pictures. One of the part, they have to be back to back, and one partner is going to describe, in this case as me, what they have, and the other classmate is going to listen what this classmate is reading and describing in the image and look for what is the difference between the image that have the classmate that is in here and what is the difference that have the classmate that is in this position. The fourth activity is puzzle with numbers and verbs. For that, I'm going to select 10 students and I will give them one number and one verb from 1 to 10. When I say a number, the classmates have to answer with the verb, not with the number that I give them. And for example, if I say 1, the classmates have to answer with a verb. In this case, the number 1 has the verb begin. If I say 2, the classmates have to answer with a verb. In this case, do, and so on. The number 5 and last activity is the other half. I'm going to divide the group into halves. The students of one half have the beginning of a sentence, question, proverb, or definition, and the other half have the rest. The students that have in the beginning have to look for the rest of it in the other side and move it and do a question what they have, and the other student has to answer the question what they have.